How to delete tab groups in Google Chrome. First of all, open your Google Chrome web browser on your device. You will see a tab group labeled. One way to delete this tab group is to close each tab one by one, and once all the tabs are closed, the group will be deleted automatically. However, there is an easier way to delete the entire group, and here's how you can do it. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your screen, and then locate the tab groups option that is between the bookmarks and list and extensions. Tap on tab groups, hover your mouse over there, and from the extended menu, tap on delete group option. You will be prompted for confirmation and then click on delete group. If you want to avoid getting asked for the confirmation in the future, check the box provided, don't ask again, and then click on delete group. All tabs in that group along with the group itself will be deleted. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.